Hi dear students, welcome back to our EVS class. Next topic is lesson 20 Whose Forests. Today's main topics are life of Suryamani, life of Adivasis and different tribes and forest. Who is Suryamani? Suryamani is a star of girls. Her story is a true story. She got some extraordinary power from her life. So she became very famous in all over the world. She says that to learn to read the forest is as important as reading books. In India, there are many different tribes like Kashi, Angami, Garo, etc. Suryamani born in a poor Kuduk Adivasi family. They lived near the forest. Her father had a small field. So her family used to collect some forest wealth like herbs and leaves. Then her mother made bamboo basket from bamboo sticks, leaf plates from the fallen leaves, etc. These items they sold into the market for earning money. After some years, a contractor came there. He told to them not take forest wealth from the forest. Everyone except Budhyamai were afraid of the contractor. Budhyamai said that they are the people of the forest. They have a right over the forest. They did not cut trees like the contractor. Forest is their collective bank, so they will not misuse the forest wealth. They will protect the forest. Her father moved to another town in search of work. This time, Suryamani's chacha helped her. He tried hard and got an admission for Suryamani in Bhubaneswar school. Bishanpur school. But she didn't want to leave from her village because she likes the forest very much. Her chacha told to her the importance of the studies. Thus, she went to Bishanpur school. After the studies, she got a job. She worked for the rights of Adivasis. When she was 21 years old, she opened a center. With the help of her friends, she called it Torang. In Kuduk language, Torang means jungle. Why she opened this center? She had a dream for her Kuduk community. She wanted to protect their own culture, language, etc. Sometimes she took children into the forest. Then she taught them very well in the sounds of birds, importance of forests, movements of the trees, etc. She says that Adivasis are the people of forest. If the forest is not there, we also will not remain. Zoom farming. After cutting one crop, the land is left as it is for some years. Nothing is grown there. The bamboo or weeds which grow on that land are not pulled out. They are cut and burned. The ash makes the land fertile. In Mizoram, people use lottery farming. This is a type of farming. In this farming, the land belongs to the whole village, not to separate people. So they take turns to do farming. People get chance to choose the land by lottery. They grew different crops like maize, vegetables, chilies, etc. Their main crops is rice. After cutting crops, the entire village celebrates. They get together to cook and eat. They sing and dance. Their famous dance is Chera dance. In this dance, people sit in pairs in front of each other, holding bamboo sticks on the ground. As the drum beats, the bamboos are beaten to the ground. Dancers step in and out of the bamboo sticks and dance to the beat. Forest is a large area covered with varieties of trees. Forests are called collective bank because forests are the main source of raw materials. So we want to protect them. And what is deforestation? Deforestation means cutting trees or clearing trees from the land. Then afforestation. What is afforestation? Afforestation means planting trees in a barren land. Okay, you go through the lesson and study well. Okay.